Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Rosegirls ready to ship sale. It's after her pre-order occurs. She usually has a ready to ship right afterwards. And so there's her card. My box looked like it got punched by someone at USPS. So I don't really know why they were mad at Rosegirls, but for some reason someone wanted to take something out on it. One thing I want to mention really quick is, so usually when you get a Rosegirls box, you never get an invoice. Now, I feel like there's either a reason for this because it's more, what is it, environmentally friendly not to include an invoice, you know, printing it out, putting it on paper, whatever. Or printer ink is very expensive and maybe it's just the bottom line for Jenny is to not include an invoice for everyone or whatever. So one solution I was thinking of though, it would be nice to get like maybe even a smaller invoice, like maybe one that, I mean, I don't know how she would do this, but maybe like just a small, you know how when Super Tarts used to do, what were those called? She would do like the scent shots and then she would include the small piece of paper. It's probably like maybe the size of two of these, maybe like put together side by side. And it had a scent list on it, like maybe something like that, just a small little thing. I don't know, either that or I need to just start screenshotting my orders so I have something, because I never, like this one I knew, I remembered what I had, but anyways, it's neither here nor there. Okay, so the first thing I got is, so a lot of these things I have not like what I got in this order, but most of the time some of her scent lists are things that I've tried or I already have, or you know I don't like or won't like or whatever. So I mean sometimes, you know, I haven't tried everything so I don't know for sure, but I wanted to try Key Lime NILLA NOEL. Now, big shocker here, I don't love Strawberry NILLA NOEL, and I think I've had Blackberry NILLA NOEL, and I think I've had a few other NILLA NOELs. They are not my favorite. But I thought Key Lime and NILLA NOEL, so that's what the bag looks like. I thought that sounded really good and different and interesting, and I thought, you know what, I probably would like that. So it's Florida Key Lime Pie, vanilla wafers, and vanilla bean Noel. Kind of obvious there, but for some reason I felt the need to read it. And the key lime is just kind of the first thing you get. I mean, it hits you right in the face. And really the NILLA NOEL is just there to blend the key lime down a little bit and just give it a little bit of dimension. So that is Key Lime NILLA NOEL. Super excited about that one actually. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it. The next one I have is Olive Goes Wild Over Strawberries. And this one intrigued me because I love the olive scent. And also the strawberry musk and wild strawberry popsicles. So it's olive, strawberry musk, and wild strawberry popsicles. I was like, strawberry popsicles, that sounds kind of good. And I don't know that I've ever had strawberry musk. So I was like, you know what, that sounds like a really unique blend. Let's try it. And it was pretty. And this one actually, when I first got it, I couldn't really smell anything. But now, it smells really good. I think I really smell those wild strawberry popsicles. Like it's like a strawberry, like a cool strawberry scent. It just smells pretty. Like olive on its own is actually quite a pretty scent to be like a mixer. But I like this one. That one I can't wait to get on a warmer. All right, let's see. She also threw in some, like she said she was gonna throw in like a bunch of fun stuff, and she really did. I was actually really surprised. Okay, so I did grab 2 chunk muffins in Did Somebody Say Bread? Here we go. So here's what they look like. Let's show this one since it looks a little bit prettier. So this is Did Somebody Say Bread? And this is bread, freshly baked bread and baked zucchini bread. I have been obsessed with bread since lately. Like all bread is like, oh, that is yeasty. It is, you know, I don't get a lot of cornbread in here. Cornbread to me is always one of those scents that like really like kind of pops out. But I mostly get the freshly baked bread and maybe just a hint of like a spicy zucchini bread, but just barely. It mostly smells like bread to me. So that one I think I'll like. The next one I got was recommended to me by a friend, my friend Candy. She said, you probably ought to get that one. So it's the blackberry jam butter cookies, sugar cookie dough, and cupcakes at Tiffany's. I always forget what cupcakes at Tiffany's is. Maybe it says on here, but I don't think so. One is nice. The blackberry jam butter cookies is definitely in there. But it's really, I feel like cupcakes at Tiffany's might have coconut in it or something. Because I'm kind of smelling, I don't think I'm smelling sugar cookie dough, so it has to be the cupcakes at Tiffany's. anyways, all right, doesn't matter. Let's just keep it moving. So there's that. It smells good though, is what I'm getting at. Okay, then I grabbed some of her special edition mini melters. So this is fruit salad smoothie. It has no scent description, but I mean, it's pretty much self-explanatory, and this is just what it is. It's like a fruity, but with a creaminess from the smoothie. It's pretty fruity in there. I don't know exactly what kind of fruit I'm getting there. I had another blend from her that I think was fruit salad something, and it was really nice. So I need to go see what chunk bag that is, but I feel like I got that out of her last like order. Oh, and the heat too as well. Kind of got these bags a little bit, but I feel like this was maybe kind of sitting around for a little bit because like I said, the box got punched. So I feel like maybe this had a little bit of a rough transit, but I never have problems with the heat. I know a lot of people talk about the heat and how they don't order and stuff, but I think unless you're not going to be home to get your box, or your front porch or wherever they deliver your box to is right in the sunlight, then you might have a problem. I've never had like an issue, like just, I mean, sometimes bags come a little smudgy. So French toast and wake and bake is the other special mini melter that I got. It's a perfect sugary breakfast aroma for your early morning smoking pleasure. That's funny. So this one is definitely, it's got like, the French toast kind of has like that cinnamon smell, but it's not too bad. It's not, you know, like super cinnamon. It's really nice actually. I think I have wake and bake somewhere in my stash. I'm not really sure what it is, but it just smells good. It complements the French toast, whatever's going on in there. I really like this one. It does smell like French toast to me, and it does smell like a good bakery, like a good morning bakery, so that's nice. Without being like, you know, some of the bakery or morning bakery scents are kind of like pancakes and syrup and all that stuff, but I'm not really getting that from this, at least I don't think. It's a secret blend, I think. So this is one of the freebies that she threw in, and I was super excited. So this is Cider Lane Monster Cookie Fluff Puffs, and I was trying to remember what Fluff Puffs is, but I thought it was like marshmallow smoothie and one of her cookie scents. Cider Lane Monster Cookie Fluff Puffs and Vanilla Crunch Donuts. This is like fall. This is pretty Cider Lane dominant. Cider Lane always kind of takes over for me, but I mean, she did include, I mean, that's a pretty hefty size bag right there. I mean, that's a good couple, 2-3 melts right there. If you're doing a larger room. If you're doing a smaller room, that could be like an entire week. I got an Americana Peeps cake, which I was like, yes, I won't ever refuse Americana anything. I love this. Yeah, it's like just like Americana smoothie, but it's a little sweeter because of that Peeps cake. But that was super nice. Okay, and then I got another little pretty decent sized sample of apple fritter NILLA NOEL. And so let me see how this one smells, because like I said, I don't like strawberry NILLA NOEL and I don't like blackberry NILLA NOEL. Oh, okay, that one's good. Oh, that one's real nice. You know what I'm getting is the vanilla bean Noel against that apple fritter is really nice. You know how vanilla bean Noel kind of has, it's like that, it's got a certain scent to it. And if you've smelled it, of course, I'm sure a lot of you have, you know what I'm talking about. But against that apple fritter, oh, that just smells really, really good. I like that one a lot. So yeah, all right, that was the other extra that she included, which I thought was really sweet. I thought it was really fun that she was going to throw in a bunch of like freebies and stuff. So she just said she wanted to have fun with this restock. I was like, hell yeah, I'll be ordering. No, I would be ordering anyways, because I can't resist Rosegirls, it seems like lately. So anyways, all right, so that is my ready to ship haul. If you guys grabbed anything either from the pre-order or the ready to ship that you really, really like, go ahead and let me know. I always like to know what you guys are liking. It's so funny because, you know, she has the pre-order, the new pre-order open now, and it's so funny because she's got a lot of her popular blends on there, but I seem to go for the non-popular blends because I've already tried some of them, and, you know, I don't know, some of them aren't my favorite. Like, they're okay, I would reorder them at some point, but I always seem to go for the ones that nobody else wants. So anyways, I don't know what the point of that was, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.